come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. DeFi bully, Nasa Bink hobby. Subscribe to me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as my wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Bink hobby. This is DeFi bully. Let's get it. Yes, can you hear me? All right, people. The Bandit project has officially launched. It's been a little over a day since the initial launch, and I'm just gonna do a quick run through how everything's looking, what happened initially with a little slight dump, and how it's building back up. How you should have took advantage. Before we get into that, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and after you like the video, marry the video. You know the vibes. Boom. So right here, if you guys were a part of the pre-sale, I'm pretty sure you did it already. You just go to pre-sale, then you you connect your wallet. Obviously, you claim your tokens. Then once you have your tokens, how you actually get the NFTs? As you see right here, I have 3 very beautiful NFTs. Yeah, how those look? Can you guys see that? So the first one I actually minted them at different amounts just to try it out. The first one right here, I meant it with 25 Bandit tokens after taxes. I believe it was $22.50 at the time. Every time 100 more Bandit tokens are minted, people, then the price goes up by 1 token. So initially it was 10 tokens for an NFT. Right now it's 13 tokens for an NFT. 13 Bandit tokens. Okay, so the first one I used 25, the second one was 20, and the third one I believe was 13, something like that. Yeah. So these are all generating me 1% a day, people. You all could join my team. I'm gonna start doing some airdrops once I have people on my team. Airdrops is where you like distribute tokens to the people on your team. So as you see, they're all paying 1% daily. There is like thresholds if you want to get a chance of getting 1.5% daily or 2% daily, but you had to have like 500 tokens for one and so forth. But I could actually pull that up. Okay, I found it in my Telegram group. So right here is if you deposit anywhere from 10 to 299 tokens, you get 1% daily. From 300 to 499 tokens, you get 1.5% daily. And if you want a chance to get that 2% daily, you have to deposit 500 to 1,000 tokens. And that is on deposits. That is on deposits. Okay, people. Just wanted y'all to know that. And then we all know the power of compound and how that will grow. I need to turn these notifications off. Hold on. Yes, and from those 3 NFTs, like I said, I was getting paid 1% daily on each, and the price of Bandit tokens would bring my daily ROI to right now at 0.52 Bandit tokens. And I believe I bought it at a pre-sale. I spent about $300. I had like 6 I spent 300, then I spent like an extra 50. I can't really remember, to be honest. I would have to check. But yeah, so I get 0.5 Bandit tokens a day. So every day I collect half of a Bandit token right now for which to go to the black market. I'm not sure why right here is not actually showing up on the DApp right here. Maybe they're working on that. But as you guys see right here, there's 293 holders. What does that mean? Oh, there's 338 NFTs minted, people. Do you guys know what that means? Let me start drifting off the camera. Sorry, I'm just excited. The Bandit token got me. All right, so boom. So when this reaches 400 minted, the price for one NFT would then be 14 Bandit tokens. So if you guys want to get in on an early rate, get in nice, and you know what I mean, so you can take advantage of this pump that's pending, because it will happen, I would say buy it now. You could join my team. You just press team right here on the DApp. Go on the website, press team, enter my buddy address, will be down below, and then click change, I believe. Right now it's showing the address for the YouTuber that I joined underneath. Okay. And the swap is right here at the black market. I use the swap because for some reason the dApp isn't showing the current price of the Bandit token, and I just switch it with BUSD so I can see the US dollar amount. Just click one right there. Right now it's at $4.90. So it's right there at $5. It had dropped down to $3. So shout out to all the people that bought in at $3. Now the reason for the initial dump early on yesterday after the launch, and it could be because YouTubers and that are paid a lot of times in the native token. So maybe those big, I'm just speculating. I don't know for a fact, but that's probably what it was. A lot of them dumped it because I can't see a reason for someone to dump their investment on a lot lower coin price. You know, you bought in at $6.50 or $6, and then you're gonna sell at $3. That's 50%. And if you had waited like a little bit later, you could at least got. It's at $5 now, and it's probably gonna be higher tomorrow and the next day. I did sell 6 of my tokens, but I was just kind of experimenting on how everything could be done. And you can do it right here from the black market. That's the Bandit project's own swap. It's cool right here. And then yeah, people. So join up. We making money. So right now, since I'm making half a Bandit token, I'm making about $250 a day. Okay, $250 a day. It is what it is. And as the price goes up and I compound, let me do a live compound right now. As the price goes up and I compound, will actually grow that amount, my daily ROI. So I could be making one Bandit token by the end of the month by straight compounding. And the price of one Bandit token might be $50 by the end of the month. You never know. Then I'll be making 50 a day. So this is the claim button, claim all button. You can also claim them individually and compound them individually. I believe this is compound all, although it just says C, but I believe that's what it is. Go ahead and click that. I know somebody said that they can't see what my MetaMask is showing. It's not really showing anything. You just scroll down to confirm. Just a little gas fee. That's all it is, people. It's a little gas fee. Okay, confirm transaction. And now, as you see, my daily ROI did increase slightly, and my total Bandit token actually increased. Let me refresh that. You got to connect the wallet every time you come off of it. And then the accumulated amount that shows under here says pending rewards is reset back to 0. I actually had about 0.7 pending when I did that, or 0.8. I should have showed that part. But yeah, that's basically it. And if you guys do want to mint that NFT, you do it right here. You right by the end of these 3 NFTs. There'll be a part right here that says locked amount. You could just deposit the amount of Bandit tokens you want, or you can press max. I don't have any in my wallet right now, but it does show the minimum is 13. So you'll there is a 10% tax on minting these, I believe. So you will put like at least like 16 Bandit tokens or 15 Bandit tokens to get that 13 for that 1% daily amount. Let me see if I press 500. Oh, it's still, well, it will change, but I was just curious if it change in real time like that. Oops. Yeah, it's not showing that. But yeah, people, stay safe, stay blessed. Remember, it's not financial advice, but hop in early on the Bandit project. I'm very excited about it, mad bullish on it. My Telegram group link will be down below. The Bandit project Telegram group link will be down below as well. Let's get this money. Bandits, let's go. Start that crew, hop on the crew. Let's start making some money so I can start giving away some money. All right.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.